Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to be taking another grammar lesson. In our last lesson, we looked at a sifah, an adjective, and mawsoof, that thing which is being described. And in today's lesson, we're going to be linking the sifah and mawsoof lesson to one of the first lessons we took in Arabic grammar, which was Al-Jumla Al-Ismiya. And when we took that lesson, the noun-based sentences, we mentioned that Al-Jumla Al-Ismiya, it has a Mubtada, which is the subject, and a Khabar, which is the news about that subject. So today, what we're going to do is link that first lesson with our last lesson. So Al-Jumla Al-Ismiya, the Mubtada and the Khabar, both of them can have sifas. So for example, let's take a basic sentence without a sifah. We'll say Al-Kitābu Ṣadīqun. Al-Kitābu Ṣadīqun. So the book is a friend. The book is a friend. So we can add a sifah to both of them by saying Al-Kitābu Al-Mufīdu Ṣadīqun Jayyidun. Al-Kitābu Al-Mufīdu Ṣadīqun Jayyidun. So the beneficial book is a good friend. So beneficial, yani al-mufid, is the sifah for al-kitab, and jayyid, yani good, is the sifah for friend. So al-kitab, yani al-kitab is the mawsoof, al-mufid is the sifah, and al-kitab is also the mubtada, and Sadiq is the khabar, and it is also the mawsoof, and jayyidun is the sifah. So both of them, the Mubtada and the Khabar, can have a sifah. Likewise, we can have a sifah only for the Mubtada. So for example, Al-Kitābu Al-Mufīdu Ṣadīqun. Al-Kitābu Al-Mufīdu Ṣadīqun. So Al-Mufīd is the sifah for the Mubtada, and the Khabar has no sifah. And likewise, we could say Al-Kitābu Ṣadīqun Jayyidun. So in this example, the Mubtada does not have a sifah, whereas the Khabar, it does. So the Khabar, it does. And as we took yesterday, the sifah will follow the mawsoof in those four things that we mentioned yesterday. If you don't know what they are, please refer to yesterday's lesson and go back over it, because that is very important. It's a very important part of the lesson of sifah and mawsoof. If you have any questions about this lesson, please ask in the comments below. And bi-idhnillahi ta'ala, like always, I'll see you in the next one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.